Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today we're going to talk about productivity, and I have an absolute killer productivity tip for you. Before I get into the actual tip, I need to tell you how this tip came about, and this is an idea from probably one of the smartest people I know, a true genius in her own right, and that's my wife, Carrie Chetta. Yes, that's correct. This productivity tip comes from my beautiful wife. Here's how it works. The other day, I went home after work, probably about 3-4 weeks ago. Went home after work, and the phone kept ringing. I kept taking work phone calls, and my wife simply asked me, quite gently, to turn off my phone and focus on being present when we were together as a family. So I made a conscious effort from that point forward to rededicate myself to doing this. And in doing so, forgetful me, I forgot to turn the ringer on my phone back on. And it didn't just go through the entire business day the next day. It went through a couple of days, and things were really, really good. I was highly productive, really focused, getting things done, and lo and behold, no clients went away, nobody died, nobody got hurt. Turns out that the calls went to voicemail, and voicemail was checked by my office staff, and people were gotten back to, and everything was handled. So what I did was, moving forward, I simply forwarded all the calls that would normally come to my cell phone to my voicemail. I did the same thing with my office phone, and the important calls, one of my team members in my office sent me a note that I had to call people back at the appropriate time. They scheduled time on my calendar to call me. And this is something I had done in my office forever. I had never done it with my cell phone though, because I figured, important people have my cell phone number, and if important people need to reach me, I need to take their calls. Guess what? My productivity has not just doubled, it's tripled since I employed this tactic. So what I encourage you to do is forward, unless of course you're a criminal defense attorney and people are calling you from jail, okay? Forward your cell phone calls to your voicemail. Get a service to transcribe your voicemail for you, and then have them email those calls to you, and check email only at specific times during the day. Now, if you're really paranoid, like I was, about missing important calls, you can have someone in your office get the emails of your voicemail transcriptions, or you can have, even better, just have somebody in your office checking all your email and have them filter the important things to you and set aside specific times during the day to address them. Now, I've covered a lot in a very short period of time, so let me recap for you really quickly. All phone calls, cell phone, office phone, home phone, if people are calling you from work on your home phone, all those calls go to one central inbox, one central voicemail box. That voicemail is transcribed either by a live person or by a service. Many services out there will do it. That transcription gets emailed either to your office assistant or directly to you. You then check only the important ones or check email only at a specific time during the day. That's how this system works. It will triple your productivity. I encourage you to implement it today, because if you have more time, you'll spend more time on law firm marketing. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and if you'd like more great tips just like these, you can find me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.